What's up, YouTube, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're sharing with you what sold in the month of March during the whole lockdown, the quarantine, everything that was going on. I'm going to share with you all of the higher ticket items that we sold and what those looked like. We're going to be touching on eBay and Poshmark. I did not sell a lot through Poshmark. Poshmark's sort of like the secondary thing, while eBay is the main source for selling. You may remember some of these items from one of my What Sold Wednesdays. And so I'm just recapping the entire month. I'm not going to do a weekly What Sold Wednesday. I'm just going to recap the entire month and just share with you the things that sold. So that way, going into this next month, in this case, April, you can have your eyes out and know sort of what's selling. Maybe you can find some of these things cheap on one platform, maybe Mercari and Poshmark, and then resell them on eBay for a little bit more since all of the sourcing locations are currently closed. All right, so number one, we have this pair of infant boys Nike Foamposites. This is the golden black. You can see the style code right there. I paid $7 for these. I sold them for $34.99 free shipping. They cost $5 to ship because they were less than a pound. I just sent them first class. Really super easy. Those sold March 1st. Next, we have this pair of Tommy Hilfiger tan canvas platform sneakers. I bought these for $3.50 at the Goodwill Outlet. I did not think they were going to sell, but they did end up selling really fast. They did have that old school style, maybe that vintage style look to them with the Tommy Hilfiger flag on there. Sold them for 30 bucks, free shipping. I think shipping was more expensive on these because the soles were super heavy. We did profit, but not a tremendous amount of profit. This pair of Lucky brand 221 original straight jeans, got them from the Goodwill Outlet. I paid maybe $2 for them and sold them for $27.99 plus shipping. When I do plus shipping, I always overestimate the shipping just a little bit. So if the item weighs 2 pounds, I'll put it as a 3 pound. So that way it covers fees, adds a little bit of money, like buffering there, just in case the numbers get kind of weird for shipping. So that is what we're doing. Also, I don't know if you noticed, and I didn't mention, my oldest son, Ethan, is here. He is learning all the things about the reselling business. And so he is hanging out with me today. We're doing this video. We are watching some reselling videos on YouTube, learning. And then after this, he's going to record his own video for his YouTube channel. So that's another thing. All right, next item. This U.S. Navy issued Polar Tech fleece liner for the parka. I paid $4 for this, sold it for $29 plus shipping. This is one that I know I covered in one of my recent What Sold Wednesdays. This pair of ACU trousers, I got these from the Goodwill Outlet. I paid, $2 for them and sold them for $20 free shipping. And so I think I broke even, honestly, when this was all said and done. They went to California or Hawaii, so it was a little bit more expensive on the shipping side. In any event, they did sell, and we either broke even or a slight profit. This Relic by Fossil floral multicolored leather shoulder tote bag. I sold this, bought it at the Goodwill Outlet for $3.50 or $3.50. Sold it for $25 plus shipping. You can see there was a significant amount of shipping money there, and yeah. It was a good sale. Sold this pair of Asics Gel Duo Max. I bought these, I think, at the normal Goodwill, so I paid $5 for them. You can see the date there that they sold, March 9th. $32.99 plus shipping. They sold via promoted listings. When I do promoted listings, it's anywhere from like 5% to 8% on this type of item. If I find an item that I pay $5 for and I can sell it for over 100, then I will up my promoted spend percentage to like 10 or 15. I've even sold as high as 20% for promoted because I want to get that item sold quickly, and you still get like tons of profit off of that. This pair of Nike Air Monarch 4s, I got these at the Goodwill Outlet, paid $3.50, sold them for $39 plus shipping. Super easy day. They sold really fast, like within a week they sold. This pair of Air Jordan Dub Zeros, these I paid $2 for. They were youth size. Got them from Goodwill Outlet, $36 free shipping, and the shipping was not that much. I feel like they shipped relatively close, Florida maybe, and so the shipping was not bad at all. This Tiganello brown leather shoulder bag hobo purse, $29 we sold it for plus shipping. I paid $3.50 for it at the Goodwill Outlet. This pair of Nike Air Foamposite 1 toddler size, black metallic copper. I paid $7, sold it for $27 plus shipping, and sent them first class because they were less than a pound. And so, yeah, got them from the Goodwill. There was one day that I went to the regular Goodwill and I found, I think, 7 pairs of Nike Foamposites for toddlers and infants. I bought all of them, and I have sold all of them. So, really good. These right here, these are 3M Scotch Brite. I sold a 4 bundle, so it was 4 3-packs, right? 12, yeah. Of these greener, clean scour pad, non-scratch. Anyways, I was at Kroger one night to grab, I think, some ice cream or something, and I went through their discount bins that they have in the store, and I found these. They were $1.50 per pack. And so out of this, I was $5 in, sold them for $20, and shipping was a couple bucks because they were only like half a pound maybe. So first class. Made some money, doubled my money on that. Really easy. This person bought 2 pairs of the Nike Lowposites. We've got the cobalt blue and we've got the silver. And they bought both of them. They were different sizes. One's a 1C and the other's a 4C. They bought both of them. They paid $61 plus shipping. I was in it for $14 total for these, $7 a piece when I bought them. And so, yeah, $81. I think I still sent these less than a pound. They're light, they're baby shoes. So yeah, I sent these less than a pound, so first class. And yeah, good deal. This is an item that is a replenishable for me, and so I am always updating it. So I can't show you what the item is. I pay $8 for it. I don't buy the item until the person buys it from me. Then I just run down to the store and I grab it and then I package it up and I ship it out. So I know the exact weight of the item when it's all packed. I spend $8.50 with tax on it, print out my label, do everything, fix the box up, then I just go pick the item up, throw them in the box, tape it, and then take it directly to the post office. And this is something I've sold. My sales are actually bumping up really consistently right now for these. I think I sold 4 of them. We'll see. In the month of March, I pay $8.50. I sell them for $35. That's free shipping. Shipping is only $8.50 to $10 depending on the location. And so I end up walking away with a $13 net profit after cost of goods, after the fees and everything. $13. And I don't buy the product until I have the money in my PayPal account. So that's pretty easy. It's not drop shipping because I actually touched the product. If I didn't touch the product, then it would be drop shipping. And remember, drop shipping is technically illegal on eBay, so don't do that. Don't ruin your seller account by drop shipping. It's the worst thing you can do. I know because I've done it, and it's not good. All right, this is probably one of the best sales that I've made in the month of March. I got this at a local thrift store, not a Goodwill, but it was it's called CHKD. It is a charity thrift store. Going through, found this Rain Spooner Hawaiian large button-up shirt. Sold it via promoted listings at 5%, and I paid $4 for it. Sold it for $50 plus shipping. It went in a poly mailer for first class. Only cost a couple bucks. Are you bored? No? Okay. Only cost a couple of bucks, and we already got some good feedback on it. It was new with tags. Worth noting, new with tags. Here's another one of those 3M Scotch Brite bundles. Sold it for $20, and yeah, it was easy. Rocket Dog brown suede low top shoes. I paid $3 for these at the bins, Goodwill bins, and honestly wasn't sure that they were going to sell because I had them for a while. But they sold. Rocket Dog walking shoes sold via promoted listings. Probably would not have sold if they were not a promoted listing. That's what I'm thinking. Nike SB Legend Rares sold via promoted listing. I paid $6 for these at that charity thrift store. I wore them for maybe a week, but they hurt my feet because they were a little bit too small, and so sold them. Paid $6, sold for $50, free shipping. This is another one of those replenishables for me. Sold for $35, net profits $13. These Nike ACG Woodside brown boots. Paid Paid $3 for these, sold them for $23, free shipping. They were less than a pound. They went first class. These Converse Chuck Taylor All-Stars, I got these at the Plato's Closet 90% off sale a couple months ago. I paid $1.50 for them, sold them for $39, free shipping. And shipping, I remember because I just shipped these off a couple days ago, that was $8.59 for the shipping on these. This shirt, I absolutely am so bummed that sold. I had this for a few weeks. I got it from the charity thrift store. Paid $4 for it, and it was in such good condition. I did not want to get rid of it. I wanted to wear it so bad, and literally like 2 days before it sold, I was thinking I should just take this listing off and just wear it because I want to wear this shirt so bad. I did not, and it sold for $35 plus shipping. So that just went out a couple days ago, and a little bit bummed that it did, but super happy that it sold. Here's another replenishable that sold for $35, net profit 13. And then these sold on the 30th. They are free run 2 women's shoes. I paid $3.50 at the Goodwill Outlet and sold them for $29.98 free shipping. Shipping was $7 because they went to Maryland. All right, some Poshmark sales. These were sold on the 4th of March. Nike Zoom training running shoes. I paid $3.50. You can see my earnings there, $21.88. There was a shipping discount on that, so they bought that on an offer. These, I was not happy with this sale, and so I'm putting this in here as a lesson learned. I got these from the regular Goodwill. I paid $8 for them. I paid too much. They had a few pairs there. I bought one pair because I wanted to test it. This color, raw ginger, these were brand new. Raw ginger, not a good color to sell. These were actually on, they actually had an Amazon sticker on them, and they were brand new through Amazon, and apparently that seller recalled them and just took them to Goodwill. That should have been a warning sign to me. I did not get that warning sign. So I sold them for $26, free shipping. I walked away with $13.69. I paid $8 for them, so I technically came out with some profit. Still not happy about this sale. You have anything you want to say yet? No? Okay. Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star Core Black Low Top. These got from the Goodwill Outlet for $3.50. Really good condition. They were filthy. I cleaned them up and sold them $26 and a little shipping discount. So I paid $3.50 and $18.68 was what I got back from Poshmark. Not bad. I think $15 net profit. Yeah. Nike Air Pegasus 83s. These were such a good sale. Got these from the Goodwill Outlet. I got these from the Goodwill Outlet for $3.50 and sold them for $54. I guess net profit of like $39.70, $39.80, whatever. So a really good shoe. I wanted to wear these. I wanted to keep these for myself. The minute I saw them, they were such good condition, totally clean. I didn't have to do virtually anything to them, like a quick wipe down. I wanted them for myself so bad. Wrong size. If they were the right size, I never would have sold them. They're so cool looking. All right, but anyways, yeah, a great sale. These Adidas Men Deerupt Runner Parley running shoes. I don't even know. I got these from Ross back in early February. I bought them for myself. I paid $39 and I wore them several times, and then I just kind of got bored with them, and so I decided to sell them. So sometimes, yeah, I'll buy shoes for myself, wear them for a little bit, take some cool pictures or something, and then just send them on their way. Yeah, paid $39. My money back into my pocket was $32, so took a $7 loss, but I guess that's cost of wearing the shoe. I'm good with it, whatever. Vans men's low top gray and white. I paid $3.50 at the Goodwill Outlet for these. These were a fishbone, is it fishbone or herringbone? They were a herringbone pattern, and so quite desirable. I sold them for $34. They were a little bit dirty. I cleaned them up. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was an eye-opener for you on what items are selling currently, or at least in the month of March, so that going forward you can be looking for these same types of items. I hope that if you found value in this video, that you'll hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you're not aware, every single time someone clicks like on this video, the YouTube algorithm prioritizes that video and shows it to more people so that more people can see the video, get the value from that video, and apply it to their life. So by you clicking the like button, you are literally helping out someone else's business because they're going to see the video, they're going to get the information, and they're going to be able to apply it to their life and their business. All it takes is just a little click of the like button. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell and select all so that you get notified whenever I upload the next time. My son looks really bored here and he's tired of me talking. So with that being said, keep selling, get the bag, and we'll see you on the next video.